There's a lot of organizations that are experiencing top-line revenue pressure. One of the ways Senzing can help you is we can help you better use your own capital. It is likely and common in many organizations to have many different teams building entity resolution and or using many different kinds of entity resolution technology. The Senzing Entity Resolution Engine, our 6th generation piece of work around entity resolution, is designed to service multi-mission all at the same time. All people data, company data, different scripts, real-time data, batch data, queries, privacy, GDPR, CCPA, maintenance, all at the same time transactionally. When you have an engine like this, Senzing Entity Resolution API, running in your data fabric, you'll be able to sweep up all of these other missions and roll them into one engine. You'll be able to take those resources and those expenses and reallocate the people and maybe not have to pay for a bunch of other licenses to do redundant work. You're going to find that Senzing is going to pay for itself in months, literally months. You're going to get a higher quality outcome. It's going to be much easier to maintain and support. Your ongoing operational costs are going to go way down. And it's a no regret decision.